Hey yo, what up guys? It's Carl here. I'm out here with the Wolves. So we're out here doing my V6 Mustang, my first modification. I have a surprise.
What you got, dog? What you got?
What you got, baby? I have a Roush Axleback exhaust.
Okay.
This baby got it sounding like it's a V8. I know it's a V6, but you gotta do what you gotta do. The car all jacked up. Now first step, I want you to grab your front tip and baby it. This is gonna be carrying you for the rest of your life. I was just joking. First step, you want to be able to go into the car, make sure everything is all jacked up and locked. And the first thing you want to do is grab yourself a socket wrench or a ratchet, or if you have an impact gun, you can use that too. You want to be able to unbolt the clamp that's past the axleback, which connects the axleback to the mid pipes. So go ahead and find that. So this is the clamp that we want to be able to unbolt, and this is what our axleback is. Basically the tin can that we're removing, and that's what connects to the mid pipe, which is down there. So we just want to disconnect this and replace it with the new axleback that we have. So first remove that, and you want to be able to wiggle it out so it can come off the hangers, which is up there somewhere, but we'll show you that in the meantime. Harvey. Whoop. Whoop. Wait, whoop. Damn. This shit crazy. Wait, am I doing it right?
Yeah. Ready, play, lefty, loosey, bro.
Fucking try to just full send that shit?
Full send it, bro.
Yeah, full send it.
Oh, you ready?
There you go.
Is it going?
Yeah.
Oh, the car's moving.
I'm gonna die today, bro.
Right there. Gotta remove this to access the ones in the back. Bring it with WD-40. Just so it's easier to take out the hangers from the axle back. Oh, you out of WD, bro. No cap. Alright, we don't have a hanger tool, so we're just gonna use some pliers for now.
So we got the first hanger out, and then just gotta take those back ones right there.
Davis from the trap. Yo,
Pornhub.
you wanna come out here?
Okay, we got this. We got them done at the same time, baby.
Why'd you tell us then? I thought you guys took that out to begin with. No.
Compare it, bro.
Compare it. Come in the shot. So we got the old mufflers off right over there. The Axleback exhaust. Now we're gonna go ahead and install these bad boys. It's just simple from there on. It's just connect the clamps, put on the hangers, and you're good to go. Start it right up after that.
Alright, so after you take out the mufflers, it should all look like this. But the hangers first. Right here. After we put the hangers, we connect the joint to the mid pipe. Then after we connect that, we attach the last hanger right there
To right here.
to the last hanger joint, and we attach the tips. That's it.
All right, bet. Let's go.
Okay.
But yeah, make sure it's just center. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't move at all.
Is it straight?
Ready, bro. This sounds the same.
No way it sounds the same. I searched it picked up online. It sounded nice.
Alright. So we're done installing the Roush Axleback exhaust. Baby's right here, all chromey. Took about 30 minutes, so pretty good. Not a bad job. Probably one of the easiest projects we've done so far. But can't judge our project work without testing the car. So if you follow me, we're going to start up this baby. Alright. Let's get the bag.
Stupid.
Oh, what the?
All right, moment of truth.
That's pretty good. That's not
Holy shit. Hey, bro, good shit, bro. What did I tell you about the bird? That shit crazy.
Yep.
No leaks.
No leaks, baby.
Damn, let's go.